Straight off, let's now connect with Mr. Adi Godrej, Chairman of the Godrej Group, and talk about stake sale in Godrej Agrovet. Godrej Agrovet in principle has decided to sell stakes to Temasek. Temasek is a Singapore-based fund. Mr. Godrej, good morning. Thank you for joining us. First, outline the importance of this deal and what it means for the company and for the group.
Well, Godrej Agrovet is a very rapidly growing part of our group. It's in agri-businesses such as animal feed, agri-inputs, oil palm plantations, poultry, and some other food products. Temasek showed interest in a private equity investment, so we've agreed to sell a little slightly less than 20% shareholding. This will be in a combination of primary sales, primary investment, where they will subscribe to shares of Godrej Agrovet, and partially secondary, where shareholders such as Godrej Industry and some Godrej family members will sell shares. The funding will be used in Godrej Agrovet for its expansion and by the shareholders to invest in other Godrej Group projects to fulfill our 10 by 10 plans, where we expect the group to grow 10 times in 10 years.
After this deal, Mr. Godrej, what will be the total holding of promoters in Godrej Industries, and indirectly by how much, or what will be the quantum by which Godrej Industries holding in Godrej Agrovet will come down?
Godrej Industries holding in Agrovet will come down a little bit, currently at 75%. The family holding, which is 25%, will also come down a little bit, and some of the shares will be primary shares into Godrej Agrovet.
Mr. Godrej, by when would this transaction be complete, and when will the funds come onto your books?
We expect it to be completed this week.
Mr. Godrej, now Godrej Industries has a very healthy debt-equity ratio.
Yes.
Was there a real need to raise money?
No, there's no need to raise money. This is a combination, but clearly Godrej Industries will be investing further into its growth and growth in other Godrej Group companies.
Mr. Godrej, was just reading somewhere, and you've said that the investment is going to be a combination of both primary and secondary investment. Could you highlight that for us, and could you give us a breakup of both?
No, we wouldn't like to break up, but some of the funds, some of the around 600 crores, slightly less than 600 crores will be invested into Godrej Agrovet, where they'll issue new shares. Some of it will be shares held by Godrej Industries and Godrej family members, which will be sold to Temasek.
Give me a sense on the valuations, Mr. Godrej. How do you think?
The valuation, the valuation is around 2,800 and something odd crore for the company.
Mr. Godrej, good chatting with you. Appreciate you taking the time out and joining us right now. Godrej Industries, that's going to be a stock to watch out for in trade today after that 570 crore rupees stake sale to Temasek. In fact, let's stay with the subject. Let's also hear out what Jamshed Godrej, MD of Godrej and Boyce, had to say on this particular deal.
Temasek, as an investment arm, has been investing in agricultural businesses around Asia. So, this was a natural thing for them. And since they have liked to invest with our group, and they have done extremely well by investing in our, with the GCPL share, they've already made a huge amount of money, more than they expected. So I think they probably think that they will make the same amount of money in eventually when they exit, whenever that is, 5 years, 10 years down the road. In GCPL, in Agrovet.
Let's take a break. When we come back, we'll talk technicals with our experts, Ashwini Kuchral and Nitesh Thakkar.